Are you ready to unlock the potentials of making money online while doing what you love? Well, you are in for a treat because today we are diving deep into the world of freelancing. Imagine having the freedom to work on your terms, offer your skills to clients from around the globe, and earn a lot of money right from the comfort of your home. That is the magic of freelancing. But hold on, before we dive into the juicy details, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell icon, because right here on this channel, we are all about helping you succeed. You need to understand that your online presence is your digital business card. Therefore, crafting a professional profile that highlights your talents, highlight your experiences, and the past projects that you have actually embarked on is a good practice as a freelancer. Remember also that making your profile a little bit friendly goes a long way in attracting your potential clients to have a deal with you. Service offerings. Are you a wordsmith, a design guru, a coding wizard, or a social media manager? You can easily let the world know about your services by listing your services with precision to attract clients who are on the hunt for exactly what you're actually bringing to the table. Step 3. Portfolio showcase. Show, don't just tell. Display your finest work samples like a gallery of your expertise. Your potential clients love to see what you can do before they can actually engage you to do any other form of work for them. Step 4. Pricing. Setting your rates is like setting the stage for your success. You need to balance your skills, your product complexity, and the industry standards to make sure that you are competitively priced. So for you to get started effectively, you need to slightly lower the rates of your services so you can help build your reputation before you can subsequently increase the price. Step 5. Proposal writing. When it comes to creating personalized proposal, this in particular is your golden ticket to catching your client's attention. You also need to tailor each of your proposals to the specific needs of your clients. Showcase your relevant experience and let your clients know why you in person is the perfect match for the job that they want you to do. Step 6. Communication. The art of effective communication is something that you should put an eye on. Keep the conversation flowing. Always answer questions of your clients promptly. And don't forget to update your clients on the project process while you are ongoing with the project. Trust me when I say that they will love you for it. Step 7. When you get to deliver quality services and doing it timely, delivering top-notch work with deadlines and exceeding the expectations of your clients will make them really happy in such a way that your clients get to give you good reviews, leading to repeat customers or repeat business. Step 8. Reviews and rating. These little stars can actually light up your freelancing journey, and I'll tell you why. You need to strive for excellence in every project that you do for your clients. This way, you can earn those glittering reviews for free. Trust me, they are worth their weight in gold. Step 9. Upselling and repeat business. It has been discovered that happy clients can be your best marketing tool. And here is why. If your clients are satisfied with the job that they've given you to do in the past, they will certainly come back for more. And not only that, they will get to refer to you people who are in need of such services and are within their network. So you need to cultivate those relationships and harness the power of upselling so it can lead to repeat business in the future. Step 10. Continuous learning. Online world is ever evolving, and so also should your skills be on an ever evolving spree. You need to stay updated with industry trends, invest a lot of your time in your own personal growth, and become a freelancer that most of your clients, if not all of them, cannot resist but give you a job to do. And don't forget about the power of networking. You need to connect with fellow freelancers by joining forums and then attending to online events. You would be amazed at the doors that it can open for you. So there you have it, fellow freelancers. The path to success is right at your fingertips. Remember, every single step you take gets you to your financial freedom, your creativity, and a lifestyle that you deserve. Now, before you go, leave a comment below and let me know which freelancing field you are diving into. And don't miss out on our upcoming video. Hit the subscribe button and we'll see you there. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep rocking the freelancing world.